Hello, my name is Seth Allen, Online Instruction Librarian for King University Libraries. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to use the Physical Therapy and Sports Medicine collection. This is a database that we subscribe to that has over 600,000 articles published between 1980 and the present day, dealing with physical therapy, sports medicine. Let's say you're an athletic training student and you're looking up potential treatments or prevention techniques for sports injuries. This is really a good database to use. All you have to do to get started is type in a keyword here in the search box. So let's say you're doing research on sprains, particularly how to avoid sprains as an athlete. You could type sprain in here, and you'll notice underneath there's a couple of ways to filter your results. If you click on this button to documents with full text, you'll be searching for articles where you can actually read the entire article and not just the citation of an article. You can also limit it to peer-reviewed or scholarly or refereed publications. Those words are used interchangeably. Sometimes your instructors will ask you for peer-reviewed sources in your paper. All right, so I'm clicking on these two, and now I'm going to press search. All right, and I see that I get 62 academic journal results. If you want to read any one of the articles, you click on the title. It shows you the author, it shows you where it was published, the volume, the issue. All right, you're able to see the full text of the article. You can view it as a PDF if you want it to see it as a PDF, and you can save it as a PDF. You can print the article. You can email it to yourself or to a friend. There's also a citation tools. If you click on citation tools, it shows you how to cite the article in either MLA or APA style. So you could take the citation, copy and paste, and put it in your works cited page. Okay. Let's say you're looking for something a little bit more specific. Let's say you want to look for information about how to prevent sprains in soccer players. What you want to do then is an advanced search. There's a link here that says advanced search, and this is where you can type in multiple search terms. So I'm going to type in sprain, soccer, and here I'm going to type in prevention. Okay. If I want to look up variations of this word, so maybe there's a journal article out there, how to prevent sprains in soccer players. It doesn't actually use the word prevention, but it uses a variation of a word. What I could do instead of typing out this word is I could take out the ION at the end, and I could type in an asterisk. All right. And what this does whenever I type in an asterisk, it takes the root here, prevent, and it searches for all variations of the word. So prevention, prevents, prevented. All right, that's a good search tip that works not only in this databases but all other databases. And again, I want to look at documents that are full text. Now I can press search. Okay, now I get two journals that deal with preventing sprains in soccer players. And again, I can click on the title and I can read the full text. You can also do a publication search here. So if your professor wants you to look up articles in a particular journal, you can click on publication search and type in the name of the journal. So let's say the American Journal of Sports Medicine. All right. I can press search, and I'm going to click on the title. All right, and I'm able to see index coverage and full text coverage. So this index coverage is when the citations begin. So it has information about the articles themselves, but not necessarily the full text access to the article. All right, and then you see underneath full text coverage. So I see with this article they have full text coverage from November the 1st, 2005 to September the 1st of 2008. All right, and you see here 2008, You see the issues from that year. You click on the title and you're able to read all the articles in that issue. In the drop-down menu, you can look at other years. So if you want to look at 2005, you click on 2005 and then click on the issue, and you'll be able to read the articles there. Let's say you're doing a broad search and you're not sure how to narrow your search results. There's a new tool in the database called term clusters. If you click on term clusters, right, you're able to type in results and it visualizes the search results for you. So again, I'm going to take the search term spraying and press submit. All right. And it shows me a wheel here with an inner tier and an outer tier. All right. These are all the results, the articles that are available in this database. So whenever I type in spraying, these are the articles that are available. The inner tier are broad subtopics, and then the outer tier are narrower topics of that topic. So there's one inner tier that says sports injuries, and then I get articles, 43 articles that deal with sprains and sports injuries. Okay. If I want to look at risk factors to sports injuries, I can press risk factors. All right, and now I get articles that deals more specifically with risk factors of sports injuries. All right, this is a relatively new feature to the databases, so they're still working out the kinks, but it's a good thing to do if you're not sure exactly how you want to search, what you're looking for. It's a good way to see maybe subtopics within a broad topic, and it can help you to narrow down your results. So I hope this helps you in using the Gale Physical Therapy and Sports Medicine collection. Thanks for watching.